Tired of that frustrating Microsoft Teams login loop? Let's kick those sign-in issues to the curb right now. First, double-check the obvious. Are you absolutely sure you're entering your username and password correctly? A simple typo can be the culprit. Next, verify you have a stable internet connection. Try opening a web browser and visiting a website to confirm your connection is working. Now, let's clear that pesky cache. Close Microsoft Teams completely, then open File Explorer. Type this into the address bar %tap.a% Microsoft Teams and press enter. Delete all the files and folders within this Teams folder. Don't worry, these are just temporary files. Relaunch Teams and try logging in again. If that didn't work, make sure your Teams app is up to date. Open your settings and search for installed apps. Find Microsoft Teams in the list. Click it and choose Update. This is a quick install to make sure your Teams app is running the latest version. Still no luck? Your firewall might be blocking Teams. Check your firewall settings to ensure Microsoft Teams is allowed to access the internet. Having multi-factor authentication problems? Make sure the Microsoft Authenticator app is properly set up and synchronized with your account. As a last resort, try signing into Microsoft Teams through the web browser version to see if the issue persists. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Microsoft support for further assistance. They're the experts and can help you troubleshoot more complex issues. Now, get back to seamless teamwork and productivity.